I got y'all on that weekly so I can see what's going on. This thing came all the way down to a major support level. You see this wick right here, right? Boom. You got another wick right here. Boom. And then another wick. That's 3 hits to that major support level right there. So hopefully we got the reversal. Now we should be on our way up. See, we're sitting around here around 32 cents now. We should definitely close. We should definitely come up to the top of this candle right here, which will be above the 20 EMA at some point in time this week, and that's around 48 cents. So most likely we'll become up there. I'll just say 50, keep it simple. Probably 48, but like I say, 50 cents. We should definitely get a move to 50 cents at some point in time this week. It may be a little spike down, but we making it out. But yeah, we definitely got to hit that 50 cent mark first. So on the daily, I mean, it'll basically call this trend back. Boom, you see, if we could imagine a line, we're catching this trend back. So what I'm expecting, actually, how the way this pattern is looking, it looks like we should get a little move up, right? Back up here to the 20 EMA, which will be around, like, I'll say around 37, 38 cents, right? And we might get a little drop. We might form a W formation, but this one is kind of concerning just a little bit. The reason I say this is concerning, right? You see, but like right here on a daily chart, just slightly different. Okay, you see a wick down here, right? And then you look over here. It didn't quite come down to this candlestick right here. This is the only thing that's kind of concerning. It might mean something, it might not, because at the same time, like I showed you before, we got a previous wick that comes down below it and at exactly where it's at. So I'm just throwing this out here that they could, it is a possibility, but I truly doubt it because that's a dramatic drop and it's already in the drop. But it is very possible. Could that be one drop, two drops, and a third drop could take it down there. So it's a possibility this could come down around 20 cents after it hits this 50 EMA, but we will see when it get there. We got to see it break and bounce off the 50 EMA. My bad, not the 50, excuse me, the 20 EMA. So on the 4 hourly, but the 4 hourly looking like the other coins too. I mean, it looked like a bull flag formation. But we would definitely have to see this one because, like I said, this one is slightly different because of that. But at the same time, it has recovered it. But at the same time, it looked like it didn't if you don't look through the whole chart. But I mean, like I said, we'll see. Definitely in the next 2 days, we'll know for a fact. But not in the next 2 days with this one. This one, you might know within by tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to say the next day. We going to know. Because right now, we see it pushing down. It got to just bounce off this 20 EMA. It has to bounce off. And then we have to make our move. And I would say, the move to hit this 100 EMA at the very least. Because the 200 up here, too, they supposed to be way down here. So I'm expecting at least hit this 100, 200, and the reject. And I would hope that it probably hit this 200 EMA, spike above it, and then we ride this 100, bounce off that, and then we continue way up. But like I said, we definitely have to get above this 50 EMA by tomorrow. So it's like 35 cents. I'm not going to say 35. We got to clear this candle at the very least. I'm going to say 38 cents by tomorrow. If we don't see 38 cents by tomorrow, it may be dropping one more time. But we'll see about this coin. But otherwise, if it don't drop, we clearing this. We're going to be up here around the 50 cent mark within next week. If we don't drop. And after that, we about to make some moves just like the rest of the coins. But this one right here got a lot to make up though, because it's been doing a lot of dropping. But we could definitely see this happen though. It's very possible. But like I said, we got to wait and sit at that 50 cent mark and we'll see from there. We got to get the 50 cent mark, stay in that zone or break out that zone, and then we good for sure. Otherwise, like I said, we might take that one more little dip down there at 20 cents, and then we just going to make a crazy move right back out of it. If it was to go down to 20 cents, it's going to hit that 20 cent and just like this candlestick right here. It'll do the exact same thing. Look at that 245%. Crazy. But yeah, that's what I would expect for it to happen if it was to do that. But we'll see this thing play out in the next, like I say, even half a day. But I'm just saying tomorrow afternoon, if we ain't at 50 cents, and we dropping down to 20. So keep that in mind. So if y'all in this, y'all better keep your eye on it. Just throwing it out there. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.